Hey guys, thanks for your interest in our Stone Coat Countertop Vertical Wall Kit. We love this wall kit for a number of reasons, but most of all, you could take any boring wall and turn it into a work of art. This stuff looks like Venetian plaster on steroids. It is so fun to apply. What we do is we take our normal Stone Coat Countertop epoxy, we add our thickener, and then we add our base. So you get your choice of a base color. We send you 2 metallics to add to that base, just like we show in our vertical wall video. Check that out. But when you add these colors, you trowel it on your wall, and then you add an accent color. When you add that accent color in little amounts in sporadic areas and start troweling that in, your wall becomes a work of art. You're gonna love it. Hey, watch that video. You can also spray metallics into your wall. Trowel that in. The sky's the limit. You can really make it unique to what you love. Just pick colors that match your decor. You can't go wrong. Visit us anytime for free project support. Call us on the phone. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll talk to you soon.